健检中心 Health Check Center. Already in this lesson, we've seen that 健康 means health and 检查 means check or examine. For the sake of simplicity, Chinese often combines two four-character words by omitting the second and fourth characters, without actually changing the meaning. So, rather than saying 健康检查, we will contract it and say 健检. 中 means within, middle, or center, while 心 means heart, mind, or center. Thus, these two characters are combined to produce the beating heart of a place, or what we more simply refer to as the center. 健检 here is used as an adjective describing the type of center, 中心. Hence, when we put it all together, we get 健检中心 Health Check Center. 服务人员 Staff. 服务 means to serve or service. In the first lesson, we already learned that 人 is a person that does a particular thing or is engaged in a field of activity. By placing 人, which means person, in front of 员, it stresses that this is in fact a person, while the 员 stresses the person is part of a group, team, or a staff. 服务 here acts as an adjective and tells us that this person is a member of a service staff. 填 to fill out. 填 means to fill out or write out a form. Again, anytime you find yourself at a place like an institution or a government office, it's highly likely you're going to be expected to 填写 or fill out a form. This being the case, it's also a good idea to learn to write all your most basic personal information like street names, district names, etc. This will make the process of 填表 or form filling far less stressful. 表 form. 表 can mean many things, though in this lesson, it is a noun and means a form, like the kind of form Pipe is asked to fill out at the hospital. As we just saw in the last vocab entry, 表 is often going to be the object of the verb 填. Hence, when we fill in or fill out a form, in Mandarin we say 填表. 号码牌 number tab. Both 号 and 码 individually mean number. Hence, when they are combined as 号码, they're mutually reinforcing and naturally still mean number. 牌 can be a card, sign, a tablet, or a plate. In our dialogue, however, 号码牌 refers to a number tab, the type we pull from a dispenser. When waiting at public places like the post office, bank, or here, as the case may be, at the hospital. 贴 to paste. 贴 means to stick, paste, or post something. Oftentimes, when filling out forms, we're also required to include a photo. This is precisely what Pipe does in the dialogue as he tells the service staff member, 表填好了，照片也贴好了. I fill out the form and I put my photo on too. 脱掉 to take off, to remove. 脱 means to shed, take off, or escape, while 掉 means to fall, drop, or lose. 掉 is often seen after many Chinese verbs and is used to indicate completion or removal. 洗掉, for example, means to wash something out, and 丢掉 means to throw something away. 脱掉, then, means to take something off, which will generally tend to be clothing.